Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to tell about some of the limitations of Python. Here are some of the list of limitations. Parallel processing can be done in Python, but not as elegantly as done in some other languages like JavaScript and Golang. Being an interpreted language, Python is slow as compared to C++. Python is not a very good choice for those developing a high graphic 3D game that takes up a lot of CPU. So it holds a lot of memory. As compared to other languages, Python is evolving continuously and there is little substantial documentation available for the language. As of now, there are few users of Python as compared to those of C++, or Java. It lacks true multiprocessor support. It has very limited commercial support point. Python is lower than C or C++ when it comes to communication of heavy tasks and desktop applications. It is difficult to pack up a big Python application into a single executable file. This makes it difficult to distribute Python to non-technical users. Let's see more about Python in future videos. Stay connected. Thank you.